Unit 11, My Family. Who is that? It is my mother. Who is this? It is my father. Who is this? It is my brother. Who is that? It is my sister. Lesson 2. How old is she? She is 12. How old is he? He is 14. How old is she? She is 18. How old is he? He is 19. Unit 12. Jobs. What is her job? She is a doctor. What is his job? He is a driver. What is her job? She is a teacher. What is his job? He is a worker. Lesson 2. Is he a cook? Yes, he is. Is he a farmer? Yes, he is. Is she a cook? No, she isn't. She is a singer. Is she a farmer? No, she isn't. She is a nurse. Unit 13. My house. Lesson 1. Where is the living room? It is here. Where is the bedroom? It is here. Where is the kitchen? It is there. Where is the bathroom? It is there. Lesson 2. Where are the tables? They are in the living room. Where are the chairs? They are in the living room. Where are the books? They are on the table. Where are the lamps? They are on the table. Unit 14. My bedroom. Lesson 1. There is a desk in the room. There is a bed in the room. There are 2 doors in the room. There are 2 windows in the room. Lesson 2. The door is big. The door is small. The chairs are new. The chairs are old. Unit 15. At the dining table. Lesson 1. Would you like some beans? Yes, please. Would you like some fish? No, thanks. Would you like some meat? Yes, please. Would you like some juice? No, thanks. Lesson 2. What would you like to eat? I'd like some eggs, please. What would you like to eat? I'd like some chicken, please. What would you like to drink? I'd like some water. What would you like to drink? I'd like some milk, please. Unit 16. My pets. Lesson 1. Do you have any birds? Yes, I do. Do you have any parrots? No, I don't. Do you have any rabbits? Yes, I do. Do you have any cats? No, I don't. Lesson 2. How many parrots do you have? I have some. How many parrots do you have? I have many. How many dogs do you have? I have some. How many dogs do you have? I have many. Unit 16. Unit 17. Our toys. Lesson 1. He has a car. She has a kite. He has 2 trains. She has 3 planes. Lesson 2. They have 2 trucks. They have 3 buses. They have 3 sheep. They have 2 teddy bears. Unit 18. Playing and doing. Lesson 1. I am writing. I am dancing. I am singing. I am reading. Lesson 2. What are you doing? I am playing basketball. What are you doing? I am drawing a picture. What are you doing? I am watching TV. What are you doing? I am listening to music. Unit 19. Outdoor activities. He is playing badminton. She is playing badminton. He is running. He is painting. She is walking. Lesson 2. What is he doing? He is skating. What is she doing? She is cycling. What is he doing? He is flying a kite. What is she doing? She is skipping. Unit 20. At the zoo. Lesson 1. What can you see? I can see a tiger. What can you see? I can see a horse. What can you see? I can see a monkey. What can you see? I can see a peacock. Lesson 2. What is the elephant doing? It is dancing. What is the parrot doing? It is counting. What is the monkey doing? It is swinging. What is the tiger doing? It is climbing. Goodbye.